With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, here the question is, the most commonly employed analog modulation technique in satellite communication is. Options are amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation, and all of the above. So here we have given that when we are talking about satellite communication means we are transmitting information from one point to some other point with the help of this satellite communication. Then the most commonly used the analog modulation technique means which type of modulation we use preferably we have asked here. Options are amplitude, frequency and phase modulation. We have to check these options one by one. So when we talk about satellite communication, we know that we have to send a signal with the help of transmitter, but this signal is sent to be over a very large distance. So this signal should be very strong. Means this signal should be very strong. That's why it will not get attenuated, but there is some attenuation of the signal. So we have to set or we have to modulate this signal in such a way that it will cross all the layers of our layers around the surface of the earth, and it will reach in the space for the satellite communication. So we have to modulate this signal for its frequency, because when we talk about satellite communication, this signal has to pass from the ionosphere, and when there is transmission of signal from the ionosphere, if the frequency of that signal is less than 30 megahertz, then ionosphere will reflect back that signal towards the surface of Earth. That's why this frequency should be always greater than 30 megahertz. So we will modulate this original audio signal for its frequency. So we will mostly use preferably frequency modulation to make to modulate or to increase the frequency of the original signal to a very high value, so that it can sustain this condition of ionosphere and it will pass through that ionosphere without reflecting back towards the surface of the earth. So we can say that when we are trying to send a signal for using space communication, that signal is to be frequency modulated. So the correct option here is option B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.